guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are going to be toning this yellow hair that I got going on here. So as you guys know, I have recently pre-lightened my hair. My hair was this really awful orange color for a while, and then I have bleached it twice since then, and this is what we are left with. We are left with this kind of awful yellow color. So what I want to do is I want to tone my hair. So I'm going to be using the Wella Permanent Liquid Hair Toner in the shade T14. So I'm going for a pale ash blonde. So I'm just trying to get the yellow tones out of my hair enough so that I can put a gray over top. I already have the gray hair dye from Overtone. I just want my hair to be a little bit more even toned to do it. So I've already tried dyeing my hair silver once and it didn't really work that well, so I'm just trying to get my hair as light as actually possible in order to do the silver. So this is the Wella T14 Pale Ash Blonde. So it says mix one of these to 2 parts of a toner. So the toner should be 20 volume, and that is what I have here. I have the Wella the Wella Cream Developer, used with Wella Color Charm Liquid Hair Color for vibrant, long-lasting, fade-resisting results. So 1 of these bad boys to 2 of the toner. So I have my measuring cup here, and I'm just going to pour it in, and we get 1/4 of a cup. So we need to have a total of 3/4. So we're going to pour it in. To there. Oh, that smells gross. That smells, oh, I'm gonna open a window. So if you hear cars and birds, that is not my fault and you're just gonna have to deal with it. So it looks like this. It looks like a kind of a yellowy gold mixture, and then I'm going to pour it into my mixing bowl here, and I am going to pray that this works. So as you guys know from watching my other videos, if you haven't already watched my other hair dye videos, go watch them. I'm not a hairdresser. I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm not good at doing my hair, so this is gonna be a journey. So I have 2 of these. So I have another full one right here that I will mix up and use if I need, because I do have quite a lot of freaking hair. So I do have a shower cap just to keep it out of my hair once it's all up. I do have a bunch of clips, and I do have gloves somewhere. So I'm gonna quickly go through on my gloves. If you guys watched my Can You Bleach Your Hair at Home video, you guys know that I bleached the crap out of my hands. So now I wear gloves when I do this kind of thing, which you should always do anyway. Proper PPE is smart. Save your hands, don't wreck your hands. It's not a good idea. So I'm gonna start off by doing this section first, and I mostly don't know what I'm doing, so my application is not going to be great, and I'm not a hairdresser. So you guys are just watching an amateur see if the Wella T14 actually works, because I've only ever actually used, oh my god. The fumes are getting into my mouth and I'm not being able to like speak. I've never actually used Wella T14. I've only ever used Wella T18, and I'm curious to see what this one is like. So this is what the mixture looks like once it's all mixed up. It will go a purple color once it is, I don't know, processing. But for now, we're just gonna tone my hair with this clear kind of conditioner looking crap. So like I said, don't know what I'm doing. Here's hoping my hair doesn't fall out, even though it kind of already is. I have alopecia in the back of my head, and that's fun. But does that stop me from fucking with my hair? No. So make sure you're using a shirt or towel or whatever that is. Just got it all over my pants. That is an example of what I mean. Make sure you're using clothes that you don't care if you get hair dye on, because this stuff does turn a purple color and it will stain. So make sure you're using stuff that is old and you don't care about. And I literally just got it all over my pants, and that's hilarious. At least they're black, so it's not that big of a deal. And this is a really old shirt, so I don't really care. So I've saturated this strand in the toner. It hasn't changed into the purple color yet, so I'm interested to see if it does and when it does. But I'm just lathering it up in this, and then I'm going to use this clip, take my hair down, and we're going to somehow switch. Probably should have done this section first. I'm doing this backwards, but we're just gonna leave this down through the back. And then we're gonna move on to this section. I watched tons of videos on people dyeing their hair and like their techniques that they do and how they go through like this and they pull up per section. I don't have enough patience to actually do that, which is why every time I dye my hair, it comes out patchy. I would love if I could actually dye my hair properly, but I just can't. I don't have the patience or like the ability. Whenever I try to do stuff like this, I have absolutely zero coordination and it ends up just getting frustrated in the mirror when I'm trying to do things mirrored. And you know, so. My neighbor is smoking weed. I can smell it. It smells like a skunk. It is legal here in Canada, so if you were wondering about that. And I don't smoke weed. I don't like weed. It smells gross. Oh my god. It smells even worse than this toner. So the toner is starting to change into a different color. It's not going as purple as I thought it would, but maybe as it processes, it will go purple. Usually I use the Wella T14 toner and it goes purple pretty quickly, but maybe because this one's different, it might not actually go purple at all. It might go whatever color this is going. It's kind of going like a gray color, which is interesting. If you guys have watched my channel for a little while now, you guys would be aware by now that I really don't care what color my hair goes. If I screw up my hair and it goes a weird color, it is what it is. I have so many wigs and stuff that doing these kind of hair fail videos is almost more entertaining to me, just because I get to figure out what does and doesn't work for my particular hair. And I've already dyed my hair silver once and it did not work. So if we can tone my hair silver, that would be cool. It is kind of going like a blue color almost. So that's interesting. Again, if you're doing this at home and you're an amateur, you can get your mom, dad, sister, brother, best friend, anyone to help you, and this process would probably be a lot easier. Trying to do it in a mirror is pretty challenging, so keep that in mind. I'm doing it in a tiny little mirror. All right, so that is that portion of my hair done, and we're just going to go over any parts that we can see that are still blonde. Nice thing is my best friend is actually a hairdresser, so if I screw up my hair too bad, I can just buy her a nice bottle of wine and she'll probably call me an idiot, but she might help me. Or I can just go to her salon and get her to fix it, but she might actually kill me if I do that. We'll see. So that is that side of my head done. So I'm just gonna quickly go off camera and finish the rest of my hair off camera, just because it's probably boring to watch me do my whole head. But that is what it looks like so far. It's going this blue color, and I will be back once my whole head is toned and ready to process. Alright, so I have finished doing the rest of my hair, and it says to leave on for up to 30 minutes or whatever for desired results. So it is 10 o'clock right now, so I'm going to leave it on until 10:30. I'm going to quickly go wash out my hair and we will see what this toner does, and hopefully this toner tones my hair from being that weird yellow color. So I will see you guys in, ooh, put it all over my face. So I will see you guys in about 45 minutes. Alright, so this is what it looks like once it has been toned. So you guys can see that it has like a gray kind of ashy color to it, which is exactly what I wanted. I was going for an ashy look, so I definitely got it. It's definitely not yellow anymore, that's for sure. In my lighting and stuff, in actual real life, it looks a lot more like cool, icy blonde than on camera. On camera it's coming off a little bit more ashy and kind of grainy toned, but in real life it really looks very, very, very white. It looks really good. I am very impressed. So this toner only retails for $7.99. I get it at my local Sally's and it's very, very inexpensive and it works very well. So like I showed you guys in the video, I used a 20 volume developer and I left it on for 30 minutes and this was my results. So I did get pretty drastic results just for using a $7.99 toner. So I'm really impressed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are interested in trying this out yourself, I will leave a link down below to Sally's Beauty Salon and you guys can tone your hair if it is yellow and you can have this awesome platinum color. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!